So,
Hi.
good evening, all. So, are you people are able to see my screen?
Now is
Yeah, actually, I'm sharing my notepad. Are you people are able to see my screen?
yes.
Yes. From the last class, we people have discussed the what is TypeScript and how we want to start a TypeScript in our Windows. Okay. So,
Yes.
Sir, hello.
yeah,
Sir, could you please revise yesterday's that
yeah, yeah.
flow of execution again? I'm a bit confused on that.
Yeah, yeah, then I'm going to be repeating.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So today we are going to be first to discuss the what we discussed in yesterday. TypeScript. So Dhananjay, you know Telugu?
No, sir.
You know or you don't know?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, fine.
No.
So for, just for my understanding purpose, I'm asking. Sorry.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, police.
Yeah. So TypeScript is nothing but it is a object oriented programming language. TypeScript is an object-oriented programming language. Okay, so it is a definition of the what is TypeScript. Okay, if anyone going to be asked what it is, what is TypeScript? TypeScript is an object-oriented programming language, or it is a syntax-based programming language. Okay, so these things we discussed in yesterday. Technically, if anyone going to be asked what is TypeScript, so this is the way you have to tell. TypeScript is nothing but it's an object-oriented syntax-based programming language, and it is a free programming language. It's an open source programming language. So this TypeScript is going to be developed and maintained the Microsoft. Developed by the Microsoft. Dhananjay and Manoj, are you people are able to understand what is TypeScript?
Yes. I mean, just want to
Yes.
confirm, sir.
Yeah.
I mean, for the playwright, you basically write a script in TypeScript. TypeScript is nothing but it is kind of upgraded version or the higher version of Java, right?
JavaScript.
Okay, got it. Yes.
I'll tell you what it is. So if anyone going to be asked what is TypeScript, so that time you have to tell like this. It's object oriented, syntax based programming and open source programming like this. But this TypeScript is going to be where it is coming. If anyone going to be asked, so you are saying TypeScript is a syntax based and open source and a object oriented programming language, where it is coming. If anyone going to be asked, so this TypeScript is going to be coming on the top of the JavaScript. Okay, so TypeScript is going to be coming on the top of the JavaScript. That's why people are going to be said as it is a superset of the JavaScript. It means TypeScript is a superset of the JavaScript. It means we have a first JavaScript programming language. It having some features and some concepts like a object-oriented programming language. Even the JavaScript also, it is having some features and advantages and disadvantages. So in a JavaScript, we people are going to be write the programming language. So it is a dynamically programming language. If anyone going to be asked what is JavaScript, so JavaScript is a dynamically programming language. Dynamic programming language. JavaScript is a dynamic programming language. It means what is dynamic programming language means when we are supposed to write any line of code in JavaScript. So by taking a variable like this, let a equal to 10. So like this we can. Or again we have to create a let a equal to t and 10. So now tell me what is a value 10. What is a value here? 10. So both times we are going to be given the a. One time is a number, one time is a string, right?
Yes.
So it means JavaScript is dynamic programming language. Like this, you have to write a n number of same variable again and again. Dynamically, it is going to be change the data. This is one of the disadvantage of a programmers in JavaScript. But when you come into TypeScript is static programming language. TypeScript is a static programming language. Static programming language, and so it is going to be come up with the static. So if you create the same way, let a equal to 10. So if you are supposed to define the same, let a equal to 10, if not allowed, it show the error. It is showing the error. When you define the one variable one time, it is fixed. And also in JavaScript, before going to be assigned the data, not required to specify the data type, but TypeScript is going to be come up with the to specify the data type. See what is let a equal to 10, right? So it means in the place of a we are assigning the 10. So I am going to be declared this a must be allow only number. So like this, when you are going to be assigned like this, so the next time if you are again supposed to take like this, so our TypeScript is going to be throw the error. So this is the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript. So TypeScript is going to be a top of the JavaScript. It is come up with some additional features on JavaScript. Online, are you able to understand now?
Yes, sir. So that means like once we assign the variable, its data type can't be changed, or we can create a different data type with the same variable name, right?
Yes.
And can we update that existing value of that variable?
Yeah. Today I will tell you that concept.
Okay.
What is
Sure.
variable, how many types, how to define those things we can discuss. Okay. For your just understanding purpose, I am telling this. So now, are you people are able to understand what is TypeScript? Why we are call it as a superset of JavaScript?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So when you people are supposed to write a JavaScript or TypeScript, so this TypeScript and JavaScript is going to be executed the program in browsers or a Node.js server or a JavaScript environment. Is that clear? So JavaScript and TypeScript both, if you are supposed to execute a program, it's going to be executed the browsers or a node server. Is that clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So that's why to develop the TypeScript, so any operating system, if you use Mac or if you use Windows, anything, so first we need Node.js. So yesterday already we discussed how to download the Node.js in our system, right? So then,
Yes, Bharat.
yeah, if you people are supposed to write a TypeScript, we need TypeScript compiler. We need TypeScript compiler for executing the TypeScript programming into our system. So then we need a VS Code editor for writing the TypeScript programming into the one specific build tool. So VS Code editor is a build tool. It is going to be help us the how to write a TypeScript and how to execute TypeScript. Is it clear?
Yeah, Bharat. I have a question.
Yeah, please.
So, Bharat, last time you mentioned right yesterday. So,
Yeah.
మనం node or like we by using command node hyphen like any JS file or TypeScript file, you said like it will be executed on the node server kada.
Yes.
So how can we execute locally, a browser or locally if you want?
Yeah, that's why we are going to be downloaded the TypeScript executor.
So to execute the okay, so I think last time you said like there are two. We need TypeScript compiler to compile the program, and then we need TypeScript executor to run the program kada, to
Yes.
run the JavaScript file. Sorry,
Yeah.
TypeScript.
See, don't
So
be confused, Manos. See, here one thing is when you are supposed to execute a TypeScript, okay, so the TypeScript is going to be converted into the JavaScript file by using a command tsc that file name dot ts. Automatically, the TypeScript file is going to be converted into the JavaScript.
okay, is it mandatory to
Not
convert it?
mandatory nowadays. Not mandatory nowadays means so in 2025 is not mandatory after writing a TypeScript to convert the JavaScript because in a TypeScript itself we have a one latest feature TypeScript executor. So without converting the TypeScript file into JavaScript, we can directly execute.
Okay, by using a TSX executor, right?
Yes, yes, Manoj,
Okay,
exactly.
that's what I mean. Okay,
Yeah.
so if we want to execute the TypeScript locally, we can use TypeScript executor. If we don't, like if you want to execute on the server side, we can use Node. But if we use Node, right? If we use Node command, does it TypeScript will be converted into JavaScript automatically or no?
Yes, it is automatically converted, but no, don't use a command node. If you use a node command, so even the TypeScript are also going to be run the node, right?
Yeah,
So
both
that time it
both
is
sides.
automatically execute on node directly.
Okay.
But when you are supposed to compile a TypeScript file, tsc, that file name dot ts, that command is converted the TypeScript file to JavaScript first.
Okay.
Okay, so this is not required, Manoj. See, why I am explaining that means, so when I want to say TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, so to get the clarity purpose, I am explaining that like, so you people are don't be confused, simply avoid that. Nowadays, not required for that. When you are supposed
For
to,
Node.
yeah, nowadays for a modern TypeScript programming language, by using TypeScript executor only, we are executing the directly a TypeScript file. Got it?
Sir, sir,
Yeah, man. Dhananjay.
sir, is it possible to show some diagrammatic representation of
Yeah,
like
yeah.
from which file it gets converted to Java? I mean .js file. So
Yes,
it's
yes.
bit it will be easy for us to understand if this
Dhananjay,
is
yesterday we already discussed. Again, I will show you. No problem.
okay. Yes.
Yeah. Manoj, from your side, any queries?
I think I am good. So the only thing that I got confused yesterday between Node and
Yeah, Manoj.
between
Hello.
Node and TSX.
Yeah, Manoj. Thank you. So you don't worry. I'll tell you. So I think you people are going to be done the how to configure this node and TypeScript compiler and VS Code editor in your system, right? Are you facing any issues in that?
No, Bharat.
No. What about
Yes,
Samu?
facing that issue.
Samu,
Actually,
any questions?
yes, Bharat.
Yeah, yeah. Could you speak loud?
Able to hear me now?
Yeah, yeah. Now I'm able to hear you, Samu.
Actually, I download the Node.js and npm version.
Okay.
Node version is 25.0.0 and the npm version is 11.6.2.
Okay.
But I'm trying to install the Playwright system, but it's not working. The command
Okay.
npm init
Playwright,
playwright at the
playwright we are not discussed, right?
so that is also one issue. And console log also I'm not working in my end.
Could you please share your screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Could you please share on your screen?
Able to see my screen?
Yes.
Uh, this is the npm version and Node version is 25.0.
Okay.
Then in VS Code editor, just I'm trying to npm init playwright, I'm getting this error.
Okay. The command is wrong,
He
actually.
needs to use, he needs to use semicolon right at the end. That's good.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So actually that command is wrong.
He is missing Irish
Yeah.
concept.
So when you are supposed to download the playwright, so what is the command we are going to be using? So in npm, so init playwright save dev.
Sorry.
So when you are supposed to download a playwright in your system, okay? So npm init playwright at the rate latest you are using, right?
Yes.
So it is showing the some error, right?
Yes.
So to resolve that error, what you want to do is, so first you have to check a node is properly downloaded on your VS Code. First you have to remove that all clear. You have to execute one command is clear. CLEAR clear. CLEAR enter. So now your terminal is clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So actually you are selected the TypeScript demo.ts file.
Yes.
You have to select TypeScript, Playwright TypeScript file. Your folder, you have to select it. In the left side, in a VS Code editor, so you don't select demo.ts. You have to go to under the Playwright test script file. Select that folder. You have to take a one folder.
Okay.
Just to give a folder name as Playwright. Okay. So in that, now you have to execute the terminal.
Under folder only we need to create this file only.
Yeah.
And the command console.log, right? Console L is E is missing.
See, spelling is wrong. Yeah. So now, if you are supposed to execute this particular one, so are you downloaded the TypeScript executor?
No. Actually, I am also getting this error on that.
Okay. TSC, write a command, TSC space. So demo, DEMO, capital DEMO dot TS, enter it. See, online, yeah, when you people are supposed to getting a error like this, so 1 second, I will share the one particular command to resolve that error. You can wait. So there is a some error on your system. So some,
Yes.
yeah, I'm sharing the one particular command. So simply copy that in a chat. Like this. I think it is not sharing. Okay. So could you please write SET capital? Go to terminal. Write a command SET. S is capital. S is only capital. E is small. Space. You have to put a minus symbol after SET. Don't take a space. You have to put a minus symbol.
Okay.
E is capital. Execution. EXE. E is capital. EXE. CUTION. P is capital. POLICY.
Any space?
No space. Continue. P is capital. POLICY. Set execution policy space and put a minus symbol. Scope. S is capital. SCOPE. Scope space C current users. C is capital. C is capital. CURRENT current. U is capital. User. Again put a minus symbol.
Any space?
Yeah, you took a space, small space, and minus symbol. Okay, execution policy. Execution. Execution P is capital. Policy space remote sign in. REMOTE S is capital. Don't take a space. Don't take a space last. REMOTE SIGNED. Sign in. Click on enter button. Yeah. Now you have to execute your that command PSC. C space demo.ts. Yeah. Wait friends.
Bharat,
Yes.
save. He didn't save that code.
Okay. 1 second. Dhananjay?
On top side, top side.
Yeah. So one more thing. See, now it is converted the JavaScript. Now you have to execute. So Avinash, sorry. So Somu, now you have to execute node space
No, Bharat.
JS. One second, Avinash. I'll tell you.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah. Somu. So Avinash is going to be saying the you are going to be having the demo.js file, TS file, right?
Yes.
Yes, select it. Then you have to click on Ctrl S. And there is a one option on the top of VS Code editor file, right? Select it. So in this, there is a auto save option. Select a auto save. Auto save. Yeah, select it. Okay. So now in your terminal, you have to execute node demo.js again now. Demo.js. Click on enter.
Again,
Yeah, 1 second. So just now we are executed the one command, right?
sorry, actually
Wrong.
wrong command.
NODE D is capital dot JS. Enter. Think. 1 second. So you have to select a demo.js file. Or we people are able to getting that console or not. See here there is no anything, right? See we have a JavaScript file, but here there is no command, right? Console.log at everything. So again you have to execute a TypeScript file. In a terminal, TSC, T is small, C, TypeScript, space, yeah. So I give a demo.ts. Enter it. You can see what it will happen. Yes, now you have to execute JavaScript. Node.demo.js. Enter it. Yeah, now you are able to getting the welcome to Playwright, right?
Yes.
So earlier you were doing the two mistakes. One is you are not properly saved the file, and this error, it is common for some windows.
Okay.
Okay. So that error is common for some windows. So when you people are supposed to get at that error, you have to execute whatever the command I given. Set execution policy scope current user execution policy remote sign in. That command is must. Okay. Even the real time also you need to be copied.
Sir, could you please share that command in this chat?
Actually, I'm trying to share the chat, but it is not giving the access for me.
Okay.
When I'm going to be click on a enter, there is some spaces under minus symbol, right? That is the reason it is not allowing.
I shared in our WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So now you are clear, right?
Yes, yes, I'm clear. Thank you
Yeah,
so
so
much.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sir, just want to confirm one thing. We are basically writing script in dot t in a
TS.
TypeScript with the extension of .ts. Then we are
Yes.
executing that
Yeah.
tsc.demo.ts. So it basically changes our script to JavaScript, right?
Yes, when you are supposed to execute a TypeScript, see this just now. So much is executed the tsc demo.ts, right?
Right.
So what is that command means? When you are supposed to execute a TypeScript in your local machine, so by using tsc, that file name we can clear.
Okay. So
So
we
yeah, tell me, finish
sorry
it.
sorry. So basically tsc.demo.ts we are running locally, and to run it
Yes,
on Java we need to use node demo.js, right?
yes. See, our TypeScript file we are first executed the locally in our VS Code editor
Okay.
for converting a JavaScript file. Because of TypeScript is going to be executed the wherever the JavaScript is going to be executed, the browsers or Node.js are a JavaScript environment. Okay, that is the reason initial days from the early days. So when people are using the TypeScript, if they want to compile the TypeScript, they're going to be used the first they executed TypeScript file, then they're going to be use JavaScript file to execute on their browsers. Is that clear?
Okay. Okay.
But nowadays, in a modern TypeScript, not required to convert like this. So we have a TypeScript executor. Directly, we can execute that TypeScript executor into the in our local VS Code editor.
Okay. You mean to say like we can direct use node demo.js
Yeah, yes, we
without
can.
using
Yeah,
tsc.demo? Okay.
yeah. Without using TSC, we can use the TSX TypeScript executor.
Okay.
If
Okay.
you want to run on a node, so we have to
Okay.
use node, right?
Yes, if you want to run on the node, you can use Node
Okay.
and the TypeScript also.
Can we create like one more script and do
Yeah,
that?
today we are going to be discuss
Okay.
that.
Okay. Sorry. Sure.
Yeah, no problem. Manoj, can you able to understand what we are
Yeah,
discussing?
yeah, I got it.
Yeah, Manoj. So guys, feel free if you people are facing any issue, please let me know. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah, thank you guys. So, Somu, can I want to share my screen?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. So, thank you guys. Thank you for cooperating. Yeah. So yesterday we people are discussing the just what is TypeScript. When we want to write a TypeScript in our VS Code editor, so we need some pre-representations like a Node.js and TypeScript compiler and VS Code editor. So we people are already configured this all into the our system. So right now, if you are supposed to write any TypeScript program, so we need a VS Code editor. So first I'll go to be start with the VS Code editor. So actually I have a VS Code editor in my system. So guys, when we people are suppose having the VS Code editor, so if you are open a VS Code editor, by default it is going to be open the welcome window. First you have to select a folder on your local system, then copy that folder into your VS Code editor. So I hope everyone is already finished with the how to create a folder and how to write the TypeScript file, right? For first time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. That's
Yeah, yes, Bharat.
Thank you, guys. So now today, if I'm supposed to write one more program in TypeScript, okay. So that time, select your folder like a Playwright TypeScript file. Select it. Inside that, you have to select a one new file. Or if you are going to be select a folder, yes, you can able to select it folder. Or anything is correct. There is no wrong if you select a folder or if you select a file. But when we are writing the TypeScript programming language, we definitely use the .ts extension file. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. If you select a folder, so first inside that TypeScript file, we are going to be getting the one folder. It is a, so for our understanding purpose, I am taking the basic TypeScript programs. Is it clear? Online, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. So inside this basic TypeScript programs, I want to create the one TypeScript file for writing the TypeScript programming. So to create a file, select the basic TypeScript programs folder, select a file. So here you can give the file name. So when I want to give my first program file. So give a first program.ts. So today is my first day one session. If you are going to be assume, so first program.ts, is that clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, simply give a .ts is a extension of the TypeScript programming file. Simply like this. Clear?
Yes.
So once
And
if you are good,
under creating a file only, we need to use the TS extension, right?
yes.
Okay.
So after this, so here you have a place to write a code. So when you are supposed to write any lines of code, so here you can able to take the that space. So in the right side, see this. Yesterday we had discussed the when you want to suppose to print any messages. So in a your TypeScript programming by using a function console dot log, we people are going to be print the messages like welcome to TypeScript with Playwright. Welcome to TypeScript with Playwright, like this. So this is my statement. I'm expecting the my output. Okay. If I'm supposed to execute this, so in a VS Code editor, if you are supposed to execute your any TypeScript programming line, so by using a terminal, we can simply click on terminal, new terminal. Any confusion?
So one question.
Yes.
In the log, we have used the single quotes. Can we use double quotes instead?
Yes, you can able to use double quotes or single quotes. There is no no
Okay.
difference.
Okay. And just one more question, like for the TypeScript name, we have given as first program. So is there any naming convention that we need to follow, like
Yeah, see,
capital?
always the name going to be start with a capital and
Okay.
extension must be a .ts.
Got it.
So,
Got it.
but
Okay.
yeah, so and also must be give a unique name. Don't give the duplicates.
And can we start the TypeScript name with the number, or it should always be alphabet?
So always must be start with alphabet character
Okay.
capital.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So when you are supposed to execute one line of code in your TypeScript programming, so simply you have to use TypeScript executor. So where we have our file under the basic TypeScript programs, we have our file, right? Under a basic TypeScript programs, we have our file, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So when I want to focus under the TypeScript programs, so we should have to give a backward slash dot. Okay. So here you can give your file name. First program dot ts. Is it clear? Or if you are going to be put it like this, so it is going to be focusing the under that your folder, there is a one more folder. So that's why we are putting like this. If you have second folder, two dots. First folder, first one dot. Clear?
So I mean, can't we traverse to that basic TypeScript programs? We can do
Yeah,
that.
see, when we want to execute a specific TypeScript file, we need that specific file name, right?
Right. Yes.
So that specific file, we created the one folder, right?
Yes.
So that is the reason if you want to focus the first folder, we are putting backward slash dot. Or you can give a always when you are going to be calling a file, specific file name, you have to give the basic TypeScript programs and first program. Then you have to execute it. So folder name and the file name you have to must be specified when you are executing the TypeScript.
Okay. So after TSX keyword, we need to
Yeah.
provide folder name then file name.
Yes.
Okay. Got it.
So then you have to click on the enter button. So I think so internal module run main 112. Okay. So it is going to be getting the something is wrong in the name. So that time what you want to do is, so again you have to give a proper name where the TypeScript. So this is the file. I think there is some spelling mistake. That is the reason it is showing like that. Okay. So TypeScript executor Then, so what is the file name? First program dot ts. So like this we should have to give. So if anything is path is wrong, it is showing the error like this. So this is the reason. So when you are going to be call that entire path, you have to simply use TypeScript executor / dot first program.
Sorry.
Online, could you please be on mute?
Yeah, sure. I was about to ask a question.
Yeah, please.
Bharat, I noticed like here you did not provide any semicolon at the end, right? At the end of the statement console.log.
No,
So
not required. In TypeScript, it is not required.
so like in Mac, right? What I'm saying is if I don't provide semicolon at the end, it is not getting printed in console.
Okay.
So I can share you the screen if you want.
So I think if it is mandatory, you have to follow. Or I think in my Windows, it is not mandatory. On the TypeScript language itself, also it is not mandatory. Can you please share it once?
Yeah, sure. I can share the screen.
Okay.
Where is the visual code? Yeah, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, I'm able to see.
So this is the screen. So I just wrote it console.log. Okay,
Okay.
I'm printing it. So DSX. Uh,
So now it is getting na.
no, I think earlier I just
See, there is any error. So you are not saving the properly. That's it.
no, but I think I noticed this earlier and now as well. I can just write one more file. So
Okay.
okay, I can just show it in so test.ts console.log
Mm-hmm.
test, right? So ls tsx test.js. It should. Oh, okay. I don't. Okay, it's
Now
not.
it
I mean,
is.
like, no,
Yeah.
it's
Now it is working, right?
yeah, it's working. You can, sorry, you can.
No, no problem. See, only thing is our VS Code editor sometimes it is not recognize our files. Okay,
Okay.
even myself also I'm facing some errors. See this, but you don't feel like that. Just you have to clear that command. Then again you have to run it. So I'll go
Oh,
to directly execute the TypeScript executor.
Could you please share your screen? Like, I'm not able to
So
see.
you are not able to see. 1 minute, guys. So 1 second. Yes. Now I hope you people are able to see.
Yes.
Yeah, so TypeScript executor, first program, .ps, and click on enter. So see this in my system also it is showing the some errors. What it is saying? TypeScript executor.ts. When I given like this, it is showing the error trigger uncatched exception. So cannot find the module. Cannot find the module. It means so whatever the file here I am going to be given, this file is not able to identify. Are you people are able to understand? So in a TypeScript, when you are supposed to give an execution, when you are supposed to give a command to execute the specific file, it is going to be show this kind of errors. So this time, what you want to do is, so you have to focus where that file is created. So I think this is the path we have. So select this one, copy the path. I'm going to be give TypeScript executor, this entire path, and first program .ts. So now see this, it is going to be showing the welcome to TypeScript with Playwright. Is it clear?
Yes.
So, but earlier I am getting some errors, right? Because of the reason I am not used the backward slash. Is it clear? When I specify the specific file, I am not using any backward slash. So my system is going to be throw the error exception. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. So Bharat, I'm unable to understand. So how I want to take the path of the system. So can you provide the easiest way? Means so very simple. TypeScript executor. TypeScript executor backward slash basic TypeScript programs first program.ts. So like this, if you are going to be give a path. So see this, it is still showing the error, right? Online,
Yes,
it is going to be still showing the error, right?
Yes.
So the reason is when I am going to be focusing on the specific file under that folder, it is going to be getting the triggered uncatched exception. Is it clear? So
Yes.
the basic TypeScript programs imported the C drive, Playwright.1. So the same path we are also expecting, right? So it is going to be locating this is the folder. Is it clear or not?
Yes, Bharat.
But if I'm not able to execute at my file, especially, so that time what I want to do is, so simply select wherever the folder you have. So right click on it. There is one option is called it as copy path. Is that clear?
Yes.
Simply select this copy path, then put here TypeScript executor that path. TypeScript executor that path and put a backward slash first program.ts. See what I'm given? After the path, I given the TypeScript file. Is it clear?
So I just have one question.
Yes,
What
please.
if I click on the first, I click on the first program and copy that path and paste it
Yes,
over
yes, directly you are going to be getting the up to that first program file.
here? Yeah. Okay.
So, but here what I want to notice is, so you should have to prefer the TypeScript file name after the path of this location. Is it clear? It means when you are supposed to specifying a specific TypeScript file, it is going to be getting the untriggered exception. Okay. So this time, see when I pass like this, click on enter. Yes, we can able to see the welcome to TypeScript with Playwright. Is it clear?
Yes.
So these are the errors you definitely facing when you are executed the TypeScript file. That is the reason I'm just showing these errors. Is that clear?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So, but now when you are supposed to when you are supposed to execute a TypeScript file, so this is the way also you have to execute it. This is also a correct. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So now, so as of now, we people are going to be taking the one TypeScript file, just we are printing message. Or if you are supposed to perform a addition or subtraction or multiplication in a TypeScript, so we need some data, right? Alright. When you are supposed to perform a addition, subtraction, multiplication, we need some data, right?
Yes.
So what is the data we people are going to take?
I have one doubt.
Yes, please.
Like at starting, you executed like tsx backward slash dot demo.ts, like first program.ts.
Yeah.
It executed, you can directly execute like that.
Yeah, we can directly execute, but in my system it is showing the some error.
Okay, if we got any error, then we can take the path. And we
Yes.
can,
Yeah.
got it.
That is what I am saying. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. So in you people are supposed to also facing a same error. This is the way you have to copy it path and execute it directly wherever the file you want.
Got it.
Yeah. So now I'll tell you one small thing. So when you people are supposed to perform a addition or subtraction, we need some data, right? So like 10, 20 or 100 or 200, like this we want some data to perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication of the numbers, right? I mean, yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So when you are supposed to take this kind of numbers or this kind of data into a Java program, or into a JavaScript program or into a TypeScript program, anywhere we need one concept is variable. Online, is it clear? Not only the TypeScript, every programming language it is same. Is that clear or not?
Yes.
So this case, when you are supposed to take this data into a TypeScript programming language, so in TypeScript we have also a variable. So to define the variables in TypeScript, we have a keywords are let, var, const. These are the keywords. These are the keywords we are going to be using. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So when you are supposed to take a 10 value, 20 value, or 100 value, 200 value, anything, the TypeScript and the JavaScript, both languages, we are using these three keywords to define the variables. Is it clear? Yeah. So now see this. If I'm supposed to take a 10 into my TypeScript programming, so let a equal to 10. Let b equal to 20. Okay, so when I'm supposed to take it like this, we can let is a keyword in TypeScript to define the variable. Let a equal to 10, let b equal to 20. It means we people are assigning this 10 into this a variable, this 20 into b variable. So to define that, we are using the let keyword. Is it clear?
So can the variable be like any kind of data set, like
Yes.
any
In a
integer or string or
yes,
anything?
yes. As of now, the variable is nothing but it is a memory location. What is variable? Variable, it is a memory location of the input or data. Variable is a memory location of the input or data. So this a and b, we can able to define any kind of data as of now. Let x equal to, we can define string. So like TypeScript, like this we can. Let y equal to, so we can define a decimal number like this. Not only the numbers, not only the strings, not only the characters. So we can able to define anything in the let keyword. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
To take any kind of data into a TypeScript programming or JavaScript programming by using this let, var, and constant keywords we can.
So can we use Boolean?
Yes, you can able to use Boolean also. Yes, we can able to use Boolean also. You can take any kind of data, these three keywords. So now, if you are supposed to know what is A, what is B, what is C, what is X, what is Y, what is A1, what is B1, if you are supposed to know it, so you can simply write a statement console.log. So inside the single quotes or double quotes, you have to write it a statement print A, that A value. Okay, console.log, inside the single or double quotes, anything, print B, that B value. Like this, you have to write it a statement to know what is the value we are storing in that particular variable. Online, is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. So this is the way we people are going to be define the variables in TypeScript.
So
And
I have
also, yeah, please.
I have one question.
Yes, please.
For basically, we are using let keyword to assign a value to this variable say dx,
Yes.
right? But what
Yes.
about these keywords var and const?
Even that keywords also we can able to use it same way. There is no difference. But as of now, I will tell you tomorrow what is the difference let, var, constant, when we take let, when we take var, when we take const, like that.
Okay.
But today onwards, just see how to take any kind of data in your TypeScript. Just use these keywords and print it like this, the value variables. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So now, if I'm supposed to execute my TypeScript file, what I want? TypeScript executor, the path of the file, we have to execute it. Or simply copy. So select the file, right click on it, copy the path. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Simply execute it now. So when I'm executed simply, so here we're not getting the any output, right? Here we're not getting because of this code is not saved properly. Are you able to understand?
Okay.
So when you want to execute a TypeScript file, so here in a file there is one option is auto save. So in my system it is enabled. Simply click on enable. So when you enable, automatically save your all the files.
So do we need to perform that autosave every time?
No, not required. One time is enough. See, as of now it is selected. Earlier it is not selected.
Okay.
So
Means
now
whenever we are writing any script, it gets auto saved, right?
yeah, auto. See, only one time you have to click on this auto save. Automatically it saves the every file in going forward.
Okay, got it. Yes.
Yeah. So see this guys. When I'm executed my script, see here we are getting A value is 10, B value is 20, X value is TypeScript, Y value is 10.989, A1 is A, B1 is true. Are we people are able to successfully getting the every variable with that value, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is the way in TypeScript you have to take any kind of data by using this var, let and constant keywords. So variable is nothing but it is a memory location of the input or a data or value. Got it? Are you people
Yes,
are able
sir.
to understand? Yeah, Avinash.
Yes.
So what about Dhananjay and Manoj?
Sir, yeah, I have one question.
Yes,
Could you
please.
please go to that type VS Code?
Yes.
If I change the value of B to 10, is
B,
it going to B is
B to
equal
10.
to 10?
B to 10. Yes.
10,
Yes.
10.
Yeah. It's going to be allow the B to 10. So before printing, we are changing B equal to a 10, right? So if you are supposed to execute your again TypeScript file, so now the B value going to be again it is getting the 10. A value is 10, B value is also 10 because we are replaced the data, right?
So,
Okay.
yeah. Can I add one more
But
variable, Bharat?
Yes,
Like
please.
where A equal to 20?
Yeah, you can able to give anything.
Like I want to recreate the same variable, let A equal to
Yes, you can
20.
able to recreate it. Today, you have to try whatever the scenarios you have. You have to try any scenario. It is going to be work. Tomorrow, I will tell you what is the difference between let and var and constant.
yes.
Is
But
that
sir,
clear?
but you told like it won't be possible in TypeScript to have a same value
Yeah,
for a
that things I will tell you tomorrow. So because
okay.
when you take a variable like this in JavaScript or TypeScript, both are same. But in the TypeScript, if you are supposed to define a one variable here like this, you must be specify the data type of the variable. That time it is not allow the other kind of data. Is that clear? So data type, how can you define? By putting a annotation. So simply put a semicolon and give a number. So number is a data type as of now. So A is going to be allow the only 10. But if you are supposed to think like A equal to 10. See, it is showing the error. Are you able to understand?
Okay.
Why it is showing error? Because of I define the variable let A equal to let A annotation number equal to 10. So it means this A variable going to be allow the only the number, but here you are assigning the string. That is the reason it is showing error. So this is the type safety we have in TypeScript, but this type safety is not available in JavaScript. JavaScript automatically it is converted the data type. So if you are going to be defining a variable in JavaScript like this, when you define a like this, automatically it's going to be take a equal to 10. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is the thing we will discuss tomorrow. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So today I hope you people are going to be understand the what is TypeScript, how we are going to be write a TypeScript programming in VS Code editor and the Node.js installation and TypeScript compiler installation and everything is done, right? Any
Yeah.
questions? Any questions from you guys?
No, brother. For me.
No, Bharat.
Yeah. So actually, so why I'm asking like this means, so actually I have a 9 o'clock another session. That is the reason I'm going to be taking the break for now. So tomorrow onwards, I will explain what are the variables in TypeScript, how can we define, what is the differences between var, let and constant variables. So before going to be discussed, so you people are first try to use all the keywords to define any kind of data, and like this you have to print it. You are able to getting the values or not, you have to check it in your VS Code editor. Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah guys, so please do this small task, and tomorrow I will tell you how can we people are going to be work on the variables in TypeScript. So once if that is finished, we'll discuss a data types also.
Okay.
So these variables here, you have to remember these variables, JavaScript and TypeScript we can define same way. There is no difference. What we discussed today, what we are discussing today, the same way we can define the JavaScript also. Don't be confused. Tomorrow I will tell you the difference.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Let's go. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you guys. Thank you.